Hello guys, welcome back to this English lesson, and in this time we are going to talk about English for advertisement. Yeah, when we talk about advertise, so it means promote. You promote or you sell the product or the service or the brand that you have. Yeah. The purpose of the advertising is how you inform your customer about your product or service that you have and convince them that the company or the product or the service that you have is the best compared with other similar company or product. Then the question, how should the advertising language? So here you are. The first one is brief and simple. Yeah, so when you are going to make advertisement, so you advertise something to the public, yeah, so make it brief and simple. Don't make it complicated. So brief and simple means that it's not too long but easy to understand. Well, the second one is unambiguous. Yeah, so means that it must be one point that you focus on. Then minimize the technical word. Yeah, technical word is the word which is technically used for the process or internally in the company. So you have to minimize it and don't use it in advertisement. Yeah, and the last is rhetorical. Yeah, rhetorical language means that the language that can encourage people, that can persuade people to know more about our brand, our product, or our service. So we encourage them to buy, to understand. Yeah, so it's gonna be like the final goal of your advertisement. Yeah. Now let's see the example of the advertisement. So look at here. Become a hypnotherapist. The best thing about being a hypnotherapist is it completely changes your life. Your work suddenly has meaning and purpose. For you guys who still think about what is your life, what the purpose and the meaning of your life, so it's gonna be very interesting for you. Then you get to help people achieve extraordinary breakthrough every single day. Yeah. So beside you, so you get to help people achieve extraordinary breakthrough every single day. Yeah. So you need to, besides you change yourself, then you can change also for other people. You have so much freedom to spend time with those closest to you. So it means that you can spend your time with people who are close with you. Now you can learn how to use them to follow in her path and enjoy becoming an outstanding therapist. Discover how you can train in this award-winning therapy by downloading our course prospectus today. By seeing the advertisement, I believe that some of the people, they will really interesting in order to change their life, especially for you guys who still have problem, who feel that they still have problem in their life. Let's see the second example. This is hotel product, IT hotel product. Yeah, the name is Smart Guest Room. Are you going to upgrade your hotel system and get it smarter? Tuya Hotel SaaS platform provides you with one-stop home automation solution, including smart reception, smart access control, smart guest room, etc. OEM service for hardware and software are supported. Join us now. Okay, so you can see that this is very interesting, yeah. Smart and then automatic, all automatic, and then all in one here. Well, those the example, and then some terms that we can see in order to make your advertisement more interesting is to give some positive words on your advertisement. For example, I give some example here. Smart, yeah, put smart inside, and then best in order to classify your product with other product, and then huge, so that's come from big, and then huge, we are very huge, so you can imagine that if you are huge, and then worldwide, yeah, our company is in worldwide, and then top quality, so when you want to show that your quality is the best. And then prime location, if we talk about location of the product, and then high tech, and then the biggest one in the world, the biggest one in Bali, something like that. So those words will create positive impact to the customer and building the trust. Well guys, now it's gonna be your time to practice about this advertising, yeah. So the work that you need to do, the first, find out the product, and after you get the product, try to make advertisement of that product. Suppose that the product that you have, you would like to advertise on social media, then please create sentence by sentence which can convince or which can persuade people to know more or to buy your product. Thank you. Good luck. Bye bye.